You're right guys, you may have seen on my social media recently that my old bandsaw finally gave up and the motor stopped working. I got some advice about maybe getting the motor rewound, but when I looked into the pricing of it, it just wasn't worth it because, as you may have seen, the bandsaw, it wasn't great to begin with. So I decided to bite the bullet and get a brand new bandsaw. I got this over the holiday period and I've been kind of putting it off till now to upgrade the base. The base it comes with, it does the job, but it's kind of awkward to move around. The wheels, you have to tilt them onto the wheels themselves. The bandsaw's quite heavy, so it just makes it awkward all round. So I decided to make a bog standard base, literally using CLS and pocket hole screws to put it together. And here it is in place. I've got very limited space in my workshop, so it's literally tucked in down the side of my workbench. But on this flat surface, it's much easier now to move it about. It's still a heavy bit of kit, and it is still kind of awkward. I'm a little bit worried about it tipping over, because as you will have seen, the base that it comes with is slightly splayed. Now I did think about incorporating that into this design, but I'm not going to be moving it that much, and as I've said, with the space that I've got, I want to keep the base footprint as small as possible. So if I do need to actually push anything heavy through that might make it tip, I can always clamp on some side supports to act as some kick out legs at the back, something like that. But I don't do that kind of work very often, so for me, this will do the job. Now it is just a bog standard design, but down in the description I'll leave a link to my website where there'll be a blog article for this project, and on there you'll find things like the cut list and some extra detailed information along with images of the SketchUp model that I made for this project. Now this could be used for all different kinds of tools, not just the bandsaw of course, so if you did want to recreate it, check the link out in the description. Thank you all for watching guys, I really hope you like this one, and I'll see you on the next video.